Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Saif Ali Khan and welcome back to my channel. I hope where are you? You're doing well. Basically guys, we in this video we are going to discuss a new DSA problem. As you know, we are solving the lots of DSA problem of geeksForGeeks. Okay. So first, let's see what exactly is the problem statement. Okay, and I will understand on the whiteboard and then we will jump to the coding part. Okay. So let's see the problem statement first of all. Okay. Uh, Here just you have to come on the geeksForGeeks site. Okay, and here you have to select only in difficulty level basic, and in topic section you have to select the array. Okay, here you can see we have solved a lots of problem here, and today we are going to solve this problem, that is third largest element. You can see here that this question has been asked in different companies like Amazon, Microsoft and more. Okay, so let's see what exactly is the problem statement. Then we will discuss on whiteboard and just then we will code it. Okay. So first, here third largest element. Okay. Given an array of your distinct element, we have given an array of different element. Find the third largest element in it. Okay. Our task is to find the third largest element in it. Okay. Let's see, we have given an example 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. Okay, and in that, and here is the another, that is 10 and 2 examples. Okay, and you can see here that there is only two elements. So in that situation, we have to return -1 because there is no third element. Okay, and if I talk about the time complexity, you can see here that we have to solve this problem in O of n time complexity, and space complexity is O of 1. Okay, this is the problem. Let's come on the whiteboard and we will discuss how we will solve this problem. Example, I will take the example first, that is 24135. 24135. Guys, here what exactly we have given? We have given an array. Okay, array is array containing the element 24135. Containing element 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. Okay, this is the array, and in this array we have to return the third largest element. Here you can see this is the first largest. Okay, this is the first largest element, and this is the second largest element, and here 3 is the third largest element. We have to return this 3. Okay, there are two different types of solution for this. Okay, we can simply do like that. Okay, we will sort this array. Okay, what I will do, basically I will sort this array and it will become 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and from last we will return the third element, that is 3. That will be the our answer. Okay, but this is not the optimal way. Okay, this is not the optimal way. If you can see, if I talk about the time complexity for this approach, is that is big O of n log n. Okay, but as I discussed, we have to solve this problem in time complexity is equal to O of n. Okay, so we have to think other approach. We have given an array. Okay, let we have array, that is What exactly is the containing element? 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. 2, 4, 1, 3 and 5. What I will do, basically just I will traverse this array, traverse on this array, and initial value we have a first largest, like initial value will be -1. L2 is the second largest, that is initial value for this is also -1, and L3 for this initial value is -1. I will just reverse on the array and just I will update all these variable. Okay, finally we will return this L3, third largest element. Okay, but question is how we will do it. Okay, there will be possibility. Okay, what exactly will be possibility? If I come on this element, if I check this element is greater than L1, then I will update L2, L3 and L1 all. If I will go to the next element, that is 4, 4 is also greater than L1, then in that situation we have to update L1, L2 and L3. But in that situation here you can see, here is the one that is the less than 4. In that situation we have to update only L3. Here is the first largest, second largest, and this will be the third largest. Now I will go to the 3, and 3 is the greater than 2, so I will update the second largest as a 3 and third largest will become 2. And I will go to the next element, that is 5. 5 is the greater than 4, so I will update the L1 is equal to 5 and L2 will become 4 and L3 will become 3. We have to return this 3. Okay, now let's jump to the code editor and I will write the code for this problem. Okay, let L1 equals to -1 and let L2 second largest equal to -1 and let L3 that is third largest equal to -1. Now what we have to do, basically we have to traverse on this array. So I will use the for loop. You can use whatever you want. For let item of a, let's make it array, arr. Okay, arr. Now inside for loop I will check if this item is greater than L1, then in that situation we have to update L3 will become L2, whatever the value of L2, it will become L3, and L2 equal to L1, whatever the value of L1, that will become L2, and L1 will become the current item. Okay, and else if item is greater than L2, then in that situations we will update L3 by the value of L2 and L2 will become the current item. Okay. Else if item is greater than L3, then in that situations I will update L3 by the value of current item. Okay. At last, after for loop, we will return L3. That will be the output for this problem. Let's compile and run. Let's see what will happen. How much test case are there? First test case are pass or not. Yeah, you can see here that output, our output and expected output both are equal. Let's submit. How much test case are there? I will see all test case are passed or not. Here we have 110 test case. Okay, here you can see there is something problems. What happened? Your code output is nothing. Why? What are the problem? Let's check it out. L3 will become L2, L2 will become L1, L1, L2 and L3, and L3 will become L2 and L2 will become current item. I hope this should be work, but what exactly is the problem? Yeah, you can see there is nothing problem, but there would be network issue, so that it was not compiled. You can see we have nothing changes in the code, but it is working fine. Okay, total it was 110 test case. All test case has been passed. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. And at last, I would like to request you, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the further notification at first. I will see you in the next video with new DSA problem. Vande Matram. Jai Hind.